I just got back from the depths of the Amazon jungle with another Fishbowl PC case, but is it any good? Let's find out. This is the Montech King 95 PC case, and it does look like a fishbowl. It looks a little bit like a Height Y40, Y60. The only difference, or I guess one of the big ones, rounded glass here on the front, I/O ports, and your buttons are right here on the side. Also, you have this big, beautiful RGB bar. We got a little hinge here because this front panel, you can swap it out. A mesh front panel. Oh my goodness gracious, you've got cold air intake on the front of this case. Mwah, we love that. Other great benefits. It's not brushed aluminum, it's plastic that looks like brushed aluminum, so you get the good look and feel without getting your grubby fingerprints all over it. Very easy to just pop off the top panel, look at that. But I think this build, best way to do it is with the glass front panel on. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like and follow for part 2 to see the final build in this new case.